everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am literally so excited for this video today. It is a very highly requested video, which is how to design your KDP book interior. I have been waiting for the perfect moment to create this video, and it couldn't be more perfect today because I have officially launched my Etsy shop, you guys. And on my Etsy shop, you will find a bunch of KDP book covers. You'll find a few KDP interiors, and it is called Glam and Graphics. I have been working so much to create these designs, and I am so excited to finally have them out there for you guys. Make sure to go down and click on the link in the description to go and check everything out. There are currently just 15 listings, but I'm working on creating a whole bunch more. I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask why their books aren't selling. I've done a lot of research, and it can come down to a lot of things. It can come down to the niche, it can come down to the keywords, but the main thing that I see the most commonly when it comes to why someone's books aren't selling, it is because the design is lacking. Whether it's the cover, the interior, or both, I find that a lot of KDP book designs are just not up to snuff compared to the competition. And so with my designs, I want to give you guys a leg up so that you can start creating beautiful designs. You'll receive ready to upload PDFs, but you'll also receive Canva links so that you can go ahead and edit them as much as you want, add in your own designs, add in your own colors, your own fonts, make it totally you, make it totally unique. But the template gives you an easy starting point so that you know you wind up with a beautiful design and you can just sit back and watch as it sells. And you guys, limited time offer. So as you all know, my Etsy shop is still very new. So for the first 10 people to go and leave a review on my Etsy shop, you may select any product that I currently have up that is either of equal or lesser value to the product that you purchased, and you will get it totally free. It doesn't get much better than that, especially on Etsy. So make sure to go check the link down in the description. I am so excited about this, you guys, and I want to create designs that I know you guys are going to love. So please let me know what you want to see. Yeah, just make sure to go and check it out. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get into the video now. All right, everyone, as you can see, we are now on what is probably my favorite website in the whole entire world, and that is Canva. So to create our interior, the first thing we're going to want to do is come up here to create a design. So clicking on that, we're going to want to do custom size. And now we're going to want to choose the size of whatever interior it is that we want to create. First off, we want to make sure that this is in inches, and the most common interior is 6 by 9, though other ones could be 8.5 by 11, 7.5 by 9.25, 7 by 10. The sky's the limit. 6 by 9 is the most common, especially for things like notebooks and logbooks, things where you don't need like a super big size for writing. All right, so now we'll go ahead and create our design. All right, here we now are with our lovely blank canvas that is ready for experimentation. So first off, if we wanted to create a notebook interior, it would be super simple. We would just want to come over here to elements, come down here to lines and shapes, and we want to grab just this simple line right here. And now you're going to want to come up here and play with the settings. Here we've got our line style. I probably just want a thickness of 1. You can make it dotted, you can make it dashed, whatever you want. I'm just going to stick with the simple. Now over here we can change the color. Black is nice and simple. I like to go with this dark gray color right here. And now we're just going to fill it all out. So here's at the top. I'm just going to expand it to the sides. Now here's another thing you want to think about. If you want your interior to be bleed, then you can just go crazy, put your images wherever you want them. But if you want to do no bleed, personally I'd recommend always doing bleed. But if you want to do no bleed, try and stay within this line right here that Canva has for you. You can go a little bit past it and be just fine. But just something to keep in mind. It's usually something I don't worry about because I usually just do bleed. But it is totally up to you. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this line and fill the rest of the page with it. So I go Control C, Control V, and here we've got another line, another line, another line. And as you can probably tell, they are not spaced out quite well enough. It looks like they could be, but obviously it's not perfect. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I would want to make it perfect. Well, I have got a fancy trick for that, and I will show you in just a moment. All right, here is my mess of lines. Definitely not going to be a great notebook interior like this. So I'm going to just come here, select the entire thing, come up here to position, and then just come down here to tidy up, and that just fixes it completely. And now it's all just the way that I want it, all perfectly spaced, which is amazing for my fellow perfectionists out there. And now I'm just going to move this up a little just so it looks a bit more center on the page. And here is my notebook interior, but I'm going to jazz it up just a little bit more, make it more of a journal. I'm going to come over here to text. Now I'm just going to grab something cute and simple like this. Obviously it's not going to say happy birthday. So I'm going to come here and ungroup this and then just go ahead and delete this word. And now I have the lovely word birthday. And what am I going to do with this, you might ask? So I'm going to make this say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Cute, right? Okay, now we're going to fix this up a little bit, make it smaller, space it out big time, bring over here so it's on the side. And there we go. Now I'm just going to change the font a little bit so it's a bit more feminine. Okay, I love this font. This looks super cute. And I could even include the option to add a date in here. And I'm going to do that just by doing 2 slashes, just like this. Change the alignment, stick this bad boy over here. And now someone can use this to fill out a date. All right, now I'm going to add one more fun element. I'm going to come up here and just search for T. And I think this looks super cute. I'm going to take this and make it a nice light color like this. Maybe even knock the transparency down, make it a bit bigger. And I also noticed that there's all this blank space over here, which sometimes is the case with graphics. I just like to crop them so I know around where the middle is. I can bring it over here, maybe make it even bigger. And right here, it's centered within my lines. I'm gonna make sure I push it all the way to the back. And there we go. This looks super cute. All right, I'm gonna add one more portion of this design. I'm going to add this page right here, right at the front. Cute little T icon right here. I'm going to grab this text that I've got, and I'm going to have it say, this book belongs to. But now we gotta fix it. Maybe give it a little curve here. Just like that. Maybe grab one of my lines, bring it over here. And just like that, we've got an adorable this book belongs to page. And now for the part that probably confuses a lot of people. So obviously we only have 2 pages right here, but we want to fill the entire book with this. So what we are going to want to do is come down here and click on this button right here so we have a grid view. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start copying pasting. So Control C, Control V if you're on a Windows computer, and just go ahead and fill it up until you get to, let's say, 10. Okay, so here we have 10 pages in total, excluding the cover page. I'm just going to come up here and select this first one, hold the Shift key, and then select the last one. And now I've selected all of them. I'm going to click Control C to copy all of them. And now I'm just going to fill them up until I have about 100 pages. All right, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And here we are, we got 101. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this page. Now we have 100 pages. All right, this book is ready to upload. So all I have to do is come up here to the share button, click on the download button, change this to PDF print. And now it's got all pages selected. For those of you who are in my Facebook group, you know you want to have RGB, not CMYK. And now go ahead and click download. And now I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to go ahead and Control C, Control V. So we've got 101 pages, and delete this page. I'll show you why in a sec. All right, and download this one again. All right, so now looking here at my downloads, we'll see that clicking on this, we've got my entire interior ready to go. It's super adorable. And over here, I have got this one interior. It's 100 pages excluding the cover page. And the reason for that is because let's say you want to create a 200-page book. In Canva, there is a certain number of pages that you can have before Canva gets super duper slow and explodes. Okay, not explodes, but basically explodes. So for a 200-page book, you can't create it entirely in Canva. So now I'm going to search for an online PDF merger. And there are honestly a bunch of free options. I'm just going to come up here to smallpdf.com. Now just add both of my files here and merge. All right, here we've got the first one, so we're just going to bring that to the front. And now just click the Merge PDF button. Merge! And just like that, we have our entire interior done. We've got this book belongs to page, and the rest of it is this beautiful interior that we designed. And we're just going to come here and we are going to download it. All right, pop over to KDP. And now I'm just going to quickly whip up my cover. As you can see here, I've got this cover I'm currently using here, which, by the way, you can purchase at my Etsy store. So make sure to go check that out. But it seems we've got this whole T theme going on. So I snatched this cute T pattern here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one and just expand it to the whole page. Alrighty, super cute and super easy. Now I'm going to come in here and download it. And remember, you want PDF print with RGB. All right, here I am over in the paperback content section. I've just breezed through everything else. If you don't know how to upload a book to KDP yet, make sure to go check out my video for how to upload a KDP book. I'll leave a link to it down in the description for any of you beginners out there. So now here we are, got our ISBN, black and white interior with white paper, trim size 6x9, bleed. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to go with no bleed just because I've made sure to stay within the line, so I should be good there. Matte, I love matte. All right, now just come here and we're going to upload our merged manuscript right here. And now we'll upload our cover file here. Cute one that we just created. And now I've just clicked the launch previewer button right here. All right, the print previewer yours popped up, and now I can look at my book. All right, cover's super cute, but we want to look at the interior. Here is my This Book Belongs To page, fully inside the lines, and the rest of my interior. Super cute, no issues outside of the lines here. So I could have selected this as bleed, but it works just fine as no bleed. So either would work. And as you can see, we've got a whopping 200 pages of all this. All right, super cute. No issues with quality checks here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and approve it. And that's about it. Just go ahead and finish up your pricing and submit your book for review. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that this video has helped you learn how to create some beautiful interiors. And honestly, it's not that hard once you get the gist of it. Also, don't forget, make sure to go check out my Etsy shop for all of my designs that I currently have listed. PDFs, Canva links, the whole shebang. And the first 10 people to go ahead and leave a review on my Etsy shop will be able to select one product of your choosing that is of either equal or lesser value to the product that you purchased. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. I would super duper appreciate it, and I would love to have you. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye.